Hey guys, so I am making Thanksgiving dinner. I'm doing it early. There's a lot going on the weekend before and that week. And I'm going to eat at my brother's house anyways for Thanksgiving Day. But I wanted to make it myself because I'm here in Houston and Mom, she in Chicago. I can't have her food. So we're going to do it. We're going to try to figure this out. I am making sweet potatoes. So, I made sweet potatoes a few times before. You know, I'm going to try it in the Power XL. And I am going to try something that Mr. Bell's Kitchen did. He sauteed it. So we finna try it, but we're gonna do it a little bit different. Some stuff he did, I was like, he ain't put enough for me. I like it sweet. It's sweet potatoes. I like it sweet. All right. So I need room. I have my brown sugar, vanilla, nutmeg, cinnamon, some butter, my butter. And I don't use extract, I don't use milk, I have almond milk. Alright? So I'm just going to put these things up here for right now. So I need the room to cut and peel. And I'm going to get my, after I cut and peel it, I'm going to put this in there. I'm going to, put my sugar and cinnamon and all this in there so I can just pour and pour and pour. So I have my bowl here. I need to put some water in it for as I cut, and it can't go bad. Alexa always stopping something. I'll be back. Don't go nowhere. I'll be back. Alright, so I washed these days ago. Y'all don't know, I'm the bag lady. I constantly say she made that song about me. Bag lady, you're gonna miss your bus. So I have to peel these potatoes. I washed these days ago and just had it sitting out on the table. So now I gotta peel these. And guess what? I am not editing, if I didn't say that already. I don't edit my videos. I don't want y'all to watch this. That's gonna take forever. I'll be back. Don't go nowhere. I'll be back. Alright guys, I've cut, or should I say, I peeled my potatoes, and now I'm gonna cut it. I want them cut in the circles, so like, and I am not a cutter, so I'm just gonna do a few, let y'all see it, and then I'm going to not make y'all watch the rest of this. Oh man, that girl gonna hurt herself. I don't want to see it. I don't want you to see it either. So, I like this. I'm putting them in here. I'm gonna cut. I'll be back when I start putting the stuff into my Power XL. I'll be back. Don't go nowhere. I'll be back. Alright guys, so I have the potatoes cut. I'm going to start making this mixture that I'm going to put. I'll put this in separate by itself. The butter has been out for a while, so I should be able to just throw it in there. I can use this for it. Alright, so I am not measuring it because I'm just going to use this for a mixture. I'm going to put this, I'll put some in my Power XL, and then I'm going to have a pan to put for the oven. So I'm putting butter, not butter, sorry. Putting sugar. I'm sorry if my energy is a little down. I kind of feel a little defeated because I cut myself, and my dressing, like, I don't know. I'm trying. I am not a cook. I cook a little, but like Thanksgiving dinner cook. And it's my first time having to cook and don't have any access to Ma's cooking. So, it's my first Thanksgiving away from home. You know, I've been eating Ma's Thanksgiving or my cousin's Thanksgiving for years. Now I don't have that. I'm here, and I'm trying to do it on my own. So I have sugar and brown sugar, some nutmeg. Normally, I would just put it individually, like I'll line up my pan with potatoes, then potatoes in the mix. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm just doing it this way to start. So, you guys know me and my butter, because I didn't have to get some here for the Power XL. So we're gonna put the Power XL and plug it in. Plug it in. Now you don't use this top, you use this one. But again, this is what he did. So gonna try it. So I'm put it on saute. Saute. It's at 350. It says 35 minutes. Most likely it's only gonna be 25 minutes. I'm not sure how long exactly. We're gonna keep on playing it by ear. Cinnamon. I like cinnamon. I do. And like I said, that abstract I will do later. Now I'm actually gonna go ahead and cut my butter so I can have the butter already cut up, like the butter that's gonna go on top. This is to line it, but I'm gonna put butter in here too. And that's not for this one, because this one, he just threw the butter in there, you know? It was just butter in here too. But I'm doing this for this one, for the one in the oven that I've done before. I just had to put it in my Ninja Foodie oven that I had. Don't really need the plate. Just cut it up and leave it here. And you know, yeah, never mind. So if you're new to my channel, thank you for being here. Tell I'm not a cook like that. I gotta eat. this Texas food out here. Woo! I ain't trying to get big, y'all. Alright. This is 100% not enough mixture. This right here, I'm using it for there and for this one. So, here we go. I ain't good enough to tell you who used this much or this much. Well, I put it and I taste it. I didn't, you know, I put it and I taste it. I can't taste this sugar, but I know I love it sweet. So, so this is, I'm sure, more sugar than most people would use. This is what I'm using. So he had butter, and then I think he said he had to put a drop of water. Might be wrong about that. Just a drop. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in so we can start making this glaze. I'll be back. Don't go nowhere. Alright, we're gonna put some of this mixture. We're gonna put some of this mixture in here. So he used a glaze. Like, I'm sorry, he used a lemon. I'm not putting a lemon. We're gonna put some butter in here, and we're gonna also put some vanilla. Now this is the real butter. I know I used that other kind already, but now we're putting a little bit of real butter. Put vanilla. Let y'all see it. I can smell it already. I'm stirring it because I don't want it to burn. I'm going to put some more of the mixture. And put a little bit more nutmeg. now it's bubbly. Don't really want it to be bubbly. We're gonna go ahead and put the potatoes in. Okay. So I'm going to use my tongue to help me. So I have these bigger than he did, but when I put it on my pan over here, that's why I got it like that. But, so I'm gonna stir it. I wonder, did you have to have it small? And I'm gonna put some more of that mixture on top. No more sugar mixer. Let's put some more butter. Alright. So I'm gonna put a drop of this. I'm actually gonna turn it down some. This is it's too hot. And I should be able to put more potatoes in that. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and line this up so that way I know how many potatoes I can put in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting my potatoes in here. That's huge. We're even put some more in there. He does have you put this top on there. So I'm gonna do a sugar and butter. Pieces here. So again, some more. This one's going to go in the oven. That's enough. I'm putting these in here. Put more mix. Ooh, spilled. That's a lot of sugar. I might regret that. I would use a lot of sugar. I didn't think I was using that much. I saw it. Y'all saw it when I did it. Y'all saw it. Like, yeah, that's way too much sugar. Put some. Drop more cinnamon. Drop a little nutmeg. Alright. Turn on my bake. 350. I'll let y'all see what it looks like. I just have big pieces. I got really big potatoes. I was like, oh, I want big potatoes. Shouldn't have got big potatoes. Alright, guys. I'm preheating the oven. I'll be back. Don't go nowhere. I'll be back. Please. Alright, guys, I'm gonna check it. I turned it to 750, or sorry, 375, because that's what he had his on, and I shouldn't have. That was a mistake. Because now, yeah, I should have kept it at the 350. I had it at, oh my god, 350. Oh, it won't let me put it at 350. So let me cancel. Start over. Saute. 350. Because some of these potatoes got burnt. And this is way. Yeah. I didn't expect this. Yeah. These are going to be some sweet, sweet potatoes. I'm scared to show y'all, but you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. Let me show you. There's it. So, oh my gosh. Can I say I feel defeated? I'm very honest, I'm very real, I'm an emotional person. This is sad. But this is my first time trying it in a power till. I never sauteed some sweet potatoes. So I was trying it. I am taking this off. Oops. Hit start, it won't do it. Actually, I'm gonna turn this temp to 310, and I'm keeping this off because he did take it off at some point. So, oh my gosh, I am not going back to Chicago in the winter just to get mom's food. Oh well. Alright guys, so I did cover up in the oven those sweet potatoes. I covered those up. So I'll be back. Alexa, how much time left on my timer?
You have 2 timers. A 15-minute timer with about 6 minutes and 20 seconds left, and a 20-minute timer with about 8 minutes and 40 seconds left.
Alright, I'll be back in like 5 minutes or so. Don't go nowhere. I'll be back. Alright guys, that's what it looks like. So, my sister said, just because it looks a certain way don't mean it don't taste good. So, alright. It's just so it is what it is. Okay. Here we go. So I'm gonna taste one of the ones that's got way too much of the. That's like that because it's way too much of the seed, sugar and stuff. Okay? So we're gonna taste this one. Here you go. I did turn it off. Nice. I hit the off button. I don't know why I didn't turn it off. It's done. It's very sugary, as you can tell. Here's a piece. Here's a piece that's not so dark, not so much of the sugary. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Go ahead and put it in here. I need the picture, right? Woo! Yeah. Please be kind. Yeah, give me your opinion, but please don't shoot me too hard. I'm already doing it to myself. All right, here's the picture. I'll be back when the ones in the oven's done. Don't go nowhere. Still want to hit subscribe? I hope so. I'm a cruise vlogger. I do cruises. I just attempted this. Oh, well, hold on. Might be ready now. Alexa, stop. Yeah, this one ain't nowhere near being done. And it looks like it needs a whole lot more sugar, but I'm scared too. After this experience on that one, you know? Like, this don't look like it's enough. So I'm gonna leave the cover off. Alexa, set timer 20 minutes.
20 minutes, starting now.
Alright guys, I'll be back. Don't go nowhere. I'll be back. Hey guys, so the sweet potatoes that was in the oven, let me take them out, let you see. Go figure that the best one I make, or should I say best looking one I make, comes out the oven. Just me. Alright. Let's taste it. These look like the sweet potatoes. You know? I was trying something with that other one. Here you go. Yeah. Oh. I want to bring it to you, but it's okay. It'll drip on my hand. Look at that. It's sweet, but it's good. Yay! Man. Alright, so this has been a journey, guys. Me making this Thanksgiving dinner. Me looking up stuff. Calling Ma. Yeah. So just remember, this was done in 2024. This is November 17th, I think today is. I don't see myself doing this again. It's just frustrating. I mean, I'm cut. I done burned. I done messed up. This is my first time doing it on film. I've made it before, but in a different device. So I was definitely trying things. So if you guys would like, I will have a playlist of these different meals. I also made a sweet potato pie. That was my first time ever doing that. I've done these before. Never made a sweet potato pie before. I think maybe it's the camera that has been messing me up. I don't know. But alright, I hope you guys like it. Hit the like button, please. Be nice. Be nice in the comments. If you're not subscribed already, why not? I'm a cruise vlogger. Check out my cruise videos if you don't like the food. I'm sorry. Ma said she gonna send me a recipe, a cook recipe. I'm like, I think it's a wrap for me. Look, sorry, we ain't getting Thanksgiving dinner. Hubby, when you're out there, I hope you cook Thanksgiving dinner. Or, I don't know, maybe I'll get more confidence later. But, yeah, sorry. I didn't kind of hurt myself with this. Alright, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. And subscribe. Please like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my Houston experiences.